Right then, another Touareg video, some more tyres, so we're running through motions here, and some reviews online are not always as accurate as you'd want, I seem to be finding. But anyway, General Grabber X3s, I keep having a lot of people in the comments, and when I'm sat in driver's seat, I think the same, that the Renegades, they're really quiet on the road, they're decent-ish off-road, but then when you get stuck in the mud, you get stuck, and it's always the tyres. I bent the track rod last time because I've not got much on the side, trying to get out of the ruts, so I just thought, I'm getting some proper mud terrains. Hopefully, these ones are not too noisy. From the research I've been doing, they reckon that this is close enough together and flat enough, the middle bit, that if your alignment's good, these are not too noisy. Ah, yeah. Ooh. If they're anything like the Nittos that Scott's got on the V6, these will be coming straight off and I'll be selling them. So if these are up for sale, they're probably a bit too noisy. But anyway, I don't want to turn it into the off-road only rig. So as you can see, 5 of them. These are 33-inch, be 12.5, 18s. I would have liked to got 35s, which are available, but getting them to fit might be a bit more of a chew on, chopping a lot more stuff than I wanted to. So we'll try that another time, see what these are like first. I know they'll go straight on, then we'll decide. So I thought, while I'm changing the tyres, I've knocked the Renegades, which are a bit softer on the sidewall. These are stiff and they're just ridiculously heavy. I'll put up how much they weigh when I get a chance to weigh them, but they're ridiculously heavy. When I've been running sort of 12, 15 PSI on the Renegades, I've knocked the tyre off the bead probably twice now. It's gone straight back on, which is good, but it could have left me in a bit of a tricky situation. Sounded like it had gone. When I've been doing a bit of looking into it, it seems to me that if you've got like a wider wheel, there's more chance of the tyre popping off. The narrower wheel seems to let the tyre stay on a bit better. So rather than having the 9-inch wide wheels on, I've gone for some 8-inch from Rogue. So let's have a look at these. And I've got 5 of them, but somebody's already opened one, so we're doing a pretend unboxing video. Be careful before fitting. We'll probably do that after. So one of the main reasons I got this wheel is because it's pretty cheap. Not because it's anything else, but it's load rated. I think 1250 kilogram load rating. Looks like the Transit Custom M Sport type wheel, I think. But these, at least to us at trade price, they've probably worked out a similar price of buying some half-decent used wheels that could potentially be cracked or whatever, and then powder coating them and stuff like that. So I think these will work out a bit better. Put them on. Got 5 of them, so I've got a spare one as well, so that'll look pretty good. Always like to have a similar spare, at least the same size, but definitely same tyre makes more sense. If we get a puncture or whatever, you can just carry on. Let's get these on, see how noisy they are, but what I'll do, before I put these on the car, I'm going to go out for a drive with a decibel meter and see how noisy the RT pluses are, and then see how noisy these are, or at least the X3s are. So we'll see anyway. So I don't know how this is going to work. I'm hoping it works because I need to be in 3 places at once at this exact moment. As usual, Mr. Late. My dad will tell you that. Still on the RT pluses now. I'm going to go out for a quick run. I've got a decibel meter here. See what this is saying. I'm not messing with any settings, I'll just leave it as it is because it defaults to this. Oh, it falls off. So we'll get up to 60 and then I'll put it into neutral and let it coast down. Otherwise I'm going to have loads of engine noise, making it very noisy. So that was 70 at 60 and 68 when it dropped down to 50. So on way back down, I'll do the same, but with the window open and just hold the thing in the same place there. But Danny will remember what that is. I'll forget before we get to the next stage. So that was 93.5. Mainly wind noise, I think, but you could definitely hit tyres. So, yeah, hey up, that wagon driver weren't paying attention, it's nearly head on me. That was good. So yeah, let me get these new tyres slapped on. Harry should have put them on the wheels by now. He said he was going to do it yesterday, and he's only got 2 done. So, we'll see how he's getting on. Get cracking. So as you can see, these are the RT Plus, which quite rounded on edges here from use, not by design. Quite close together here compared to these ones. But we'll see how noisy they are, and then we'll probably test again after I've done a few 100 miles on these and see how edges have rounded them, because that makes a big difference. We'll see. That's not as heavy as these ones.
What, these are heavy?
Yeah. I can't remember how much they weigh now.
You are?
Yeah. Camera's gone. Good, it can't see me failing. So, as you can see, got a bit of interference here. So I need to get a spacer on. Not a problem. Sort it. So this may or may not be the second time I've filmed this segment, but check you're getting sound to your GoPro before you commit to doing 10 minutes worth of chatting absolute rubbish. Oh no, that ain't gonna help, job. Cast iron pan in here now. So I'll do the usual, get up to 60 and coast down, see where we are when we get to 50. I think that's the best way of doing it. That was 70 when we were at 60, 68 when we got to 50. So I'm pretty sure that's exactly the same. So the tyres are not any noisier now, which is good. I'll stick window down, see what happens. So with the window down, that were 87. So I think these are a bit quieter. They've got a few more miles on them now when I did the first test, when I think I determined that they were the same. So, yeah, very happy with that. We'll go on to the summary that I made in the past. So, been out yesterday laying with the kids. The new General Grabber X3s, really happy with them. Not night and day difference on the road, tiny bit. I'd say a little bit more sort of wonder. I don't know whether that's just because the tread blocks are moving a little bit more than these ones. Tiny bit if I were being really picky, but I have took the front anti-roll bar off when I was doing all the suspension stuff, and that made it a little bit weird to drive anyway at higher speeds. But on the way home it felt better than on the way there, so I don't know what we're going on. The wheels seem pretty good, not bent one yet, which is good. Not scratched them too much, I think. A little bit, but I could hear that when I did it, so it is what it is. But yeah, really happy. The side bite on these are definitely better. I were able to sort of drive out of the ruts. With these ones, sometimes when you're stuck in the ruts, that way you just have to follow it. Whereas with these, I could get out of the ruts. So I think overall they are a bit better. Didn't do the heavy stuff, didn't get all the way up to the sort of subframes with mud, so that'll be the true test. But yeah, Very happy. Just thought this would be a better way of ending the video than me talking about how noisy they were. The kids never moaned that they couldn't hear each other when they were arguing, so that was pretty good. I knew that was going to happen. That's gone forever, that. Don't go under wagging. So yeah, really happy with them. So hopefully, I'm not sure if when this video goes out we'll have it done, but we're just in talks with our tyre supplier at the minute. We're going to have these and an all-terrain, probably the AT3s because they're really good in the snow and they're not bad off-road as well. So they'll be the two sort of options, and obviously a full winter option which will be the Yokohama tyres as well. And then we'll have all the sizes that fit straight onto these, straight onto the Yetis and straight onto the Amaroks, and we'll have all them for sale listed, as well as some wheel options if possible. So thank you for watching.